there seems to be a surprise here, and I don't know what's going on. KJH brand, Katie Jane Hughes's brand, sent me their new lips. And in this box, there is something else. I opened this up and was fully prepared, okay? And then I saw this. What is this? What is this? Now, before we get into that, I just want to take a moment for the visuals for these new lips. I am obsessed. Every single thing that I've seen, the blazers, the like structured shoulders, the photo shoot, the like glasses, everything, the gloves. Are you kidding me? That is freaking stunning. I love this. I keep all of these because I just think they're like very pleasing to the eye. It's very inspiring. And I don't look at this, dude. Like, are you kidding me? Prism Lite lip crayons. Let's get into it. Yeah. Illusion, Enigma, Phantom, Mirage. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. As soon as Katie teased these, and look at this one. I think these are so cool. Also, they're like kind of soft touch. I really appreciate details like this. I love inserts. I don't know if it's just because like I used to be in graphic design. I did a lot of graphic design work, but this even goes back to like, dude, I was in freaking yearbook, okay? Like that's what this makes me think of. Like early days designing things has deeply been ingrained in my brain of appreciating like aesthetics, design layouts, any kind of like physical thing. Look at this. Look at, oh, this is so pleasing to my brain. Ooh, I love this. Oh, wait, this is very sweet. My love affair with makeup began at an early age. I had vivid memories of watching my mom put on her makeup before going on stage as a cabaret performer. I'm gonna start crying, actually. A swipe of her signature lipstick instantly transformed her from mum to singer. Okay. Well, there's a cat hair in my eye now. No, I'm gonna have to read this. Not right now. I love stuff like this though. I love the lore. I love the foundational emotion behind a product. I think that's why like I am even more excited about these. I was excited when I saw the colors, don't get me wrong, but just, I don't know. I love when people who are passionate about something make something. It feels like it's larger than life. It feels like little pieces of magic. Okay. And yes, actually it is that deep and it is that important. Okay. Anyway, here is what the packaging looks like, which I love the blue. I love that blue with brown. Ooh, something about that combination has just always made me happy. And you have the color indicators and the shades on top. I cannot wait to combo these and wear these so very much. I know that there's pearl in this, so I'm gonna try this one first. This is Enigma. That is such a nice shade. Ooh, and that is a nice texture. So I think the same texture, these perhaps, it feels like it. It's not super, it's like kind of matte, kind of like a satin finish almost. It's not soft touch where it has like a little bit of grip, but it's a pleasant texture. I've got to say, I love this component. I love the size of this. Wow. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. Are you serious, dude? Oh, immediately, yes. I don't think these have a scent. You know the drill. I'm going to put this on to start just to see, and then I'm going to combo it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at the level of the shine, the pearl. Ooh, that is freaking delightful. It's not like incredibly frosty. It's like pearly. Ooh, hold on. Look at that. Look at that in the light. Hold on. The texture. Ooh, that's a good texture. It's not super slippery. It feels like it has a little bit of oomph, so it's gonna like have a little bit more long wear, I would imagine. Ooh, yeah. Does it smell like something? I don't think so. I don't think so. Again, because I was so excited, I don't know if I said, this is the Prism Lite Lip Crayon. Now, these are kind of, I think, designed around like what would be Katie's like transformative lip, obviously in multiple shades. Fuller pout kind of vibes, 80s, 90s kind of model-esque, I do believe is like kind of the inspiration and kind of vibe and energy, which I feel like I can definitely feel that. I think it's going to be like the kind of like mauve-y tones, that phantom shade, that dark shade looks really pretty. I just want to keep putting this on. And I just want to know how nice the scroll feels, like the spin, I don't know what to say, the scroll on this is really pleasant. It's not like super, like it is more of like there's like tension and pressure, which makes me believe that this isn't gonna like fall out of the component really easy. This is something that irritates me with products, like particularly a crayon product that's just in this, it's non-sharpenable. If this experience or the closing it experience is not kind of like secure, that is not gonna work well for me. I am tough on my makeup. I use my makeup. I take my makeup lots of places. It's in pockets, it's in backpacks, it's in crossbodies, it's in my claws. So I need this to kind of like keep up with how I use and wear my makeup. So we will see how that goes. Obviously, this is just my first impression of these. So far, the other precision lip sculpture styler Stilos, Hold on. What is, hold on. It is the Precision Sculpture Stylo. You would think after like a billion times of using these now, I would remember that, but these have done so well. I have freaking thrown these around. These are wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and add some forge to this. And I'm just gonna put it on top and see how it goes. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Ooh, I like those two together. What if I took a little bit of chisel up on the Cupid's bow and down in the center? Just because I want to see how I would structure this. Leave. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I like that. It's looking very pouchy. I'm even gonna take a little bit of forge in the center just to moody it up a little bit. I've been doing this with forge so much. Press my lips together. Oh. And I'm gonna take a little bit more Enigma right in the center. Just a little bit here. Scribble it. Oh, now that is how I'm going to wear these. That is really nice. I enjoy the level of pearl in this. Stunning and gorgeous, I'm not surprised, but what is in this box? I buy direct? Is this one of the glasses? I'm gonna scream. There's no way. 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 I'm so perplexed right now. Katie, what is this? What? See happy. I buy direct. No, there's things in here. Stop. No, no. Do you see? Do you see? Hold on. What? 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 What are we doing? Katie, what are we doing? Katie, no, 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 no. Hold on, hold on. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wow. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act right now. This is giving, oh, do you like my lip combo? It's Katie Jane Hughes. It's KJH. Ooh. Huh. Okay. I don't know. And it comes with this freaking case. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Well, I will be treasuring these. KJH. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Katie. Congratulations on this launch. These are stunning. Every detail is so cool. I cannot wait to combo and layer all of these. I have just absolutely been obsessed with the stylos and literally everything else that I've purchased from KJH brand. Like I'm very excited to see what all unfolds, but I'm also very excited in the now. This is a gorgeous lip. This is a gorgeous lip. Anyway, if you do want to see the other shades or any particular combos, please let me know. And do you like lip products with pearl? Because I think these are very intriguing. And as always, thanks for being here and watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!